Welcome to our comprehensive guide on investing in precious metals. In this video, we'll explore the world of gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, and why these metals have been considered valuable for centuries. Whether you're a beginner or looking to diversify your portfolio, understanding the basics of precious metals is essential. We'll start by discussing what makes these metals unique, their historical significance, and why investors often turn to them in times of economic uncertainty. By the end of this journey, you'll have a solid foundation to make informed decisions about precious metals investing. Precious metals are rare, naturally occurring metallic elements with high economic value. The most commonly known are gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. These metals are prized for their beauty, durability, and use in various industries, from jewelry to electronics. Unlike paper currency, precious metals have intrinsic value, which means their worth isn't dependent on government backing. This makes them a popular choice for investors seeking stability and long-term value. Let's take a closer look at each of these metals and what sets them apart in the investment world. Gold has been a symbol of wealth and prosperity for thousands of years. Its unique properties, such as resistance to corrosion and its malleability, make it ideal for coins, jewelry, and even technology. Investors often view gold as a safe haven during economic downturns, as its value tends to remain stable or even increase when markets are volatile. Gold is also used by central banks as a reserve asset, further cementing its importance in the global economy. Let's explore how you can add gold to your investment portfolio. Silver is often overshadowed by gold, but it plays a vital role in both investment and industry. Its affordability makes it accessible to a wider range of investors, and its industrial uses from electronics to solar panels add to its demand. Silver prices can be more volatile than gold, but this also means there's potential for higher returns. If you're looking for a precious metal that offers both investment and practical value, silver is worth considering. Let's see how silver fits into a diversified portfolio. Platinum and palladium are less well known than gold and silver, but they're just as important in the world of precious metals. These metals are primarily used in industrial applications, especially in automotive catalytic converters. Their rarity and specialized uses can lead to significant price swings, offering unique opportunities for investors. While they may not be as widely traded as gold or silver, including platinum and palladium in your portfolio can provide additional diversification and exposure to different market forces. Investing in precious metals offers several advantages. They act as a hedge against inflation, protect wealth during economic downturns, and provide portfolio diversification. Unlike stocks or bonds, precious metals are tangible assets that you can hold in your hand. This physical nature gives many investors peace of mind, especially when markets are uncertain. Additionally, precious metals have a global market, making them easy to buy and sell almost anywhere in the world. Let's explore these benefits in more detail. One of the main reasons investors turn to precious metals is their ability to hedge against inflation. When the value of paper currency declines, the price of metals like gold and silver often rises. This inverse relationship helps protect your purchasing power over time. By including precious metals in your investment strategy, you can reduce the impact of inflation on your overall wealth. It's a time-tested approach that has helped countless investors preserve their assets during periods of rising prices. Diversification is a key principle in investing, and precious metals offer a unique way to achieve it. Because their prices often move independently of stocks and bonds, adding metals to your portfolio can reduce overall risk. This means that when traditional markets are down, precious metals may hold their value or even increase, balancing out potential losses elsewhere. Diversification with precious metals is a smart strategy for building a more resilient investment portfolio. Like digital assets or paper investments, precious metals are tangible. You can physically hold gold coins, silver bars, or platinum ingots. This tangibility provides a sense of security that many investors value, especially during times of financial instability. Tangible assets are less vulnerable to cyber threats or digital fraud, making them a reliable store of value. Let's look at how owning physical metals can enhance your investment security. Precious metals are recognized and valued worldwide. This global acceptance means you can buy or sell gold, silver, platinum, or palladium in almost any country. The high liquidity of these markets ensures that you can quickly convert your metals into cash when needed. Whether you're traveling or facing an emergency, the ability to access funds through precious metals is a significant advantage for investors seeking flexibility and security. There are several ways to invest in precious metals, each with its own benefits and considerations. You can choose to buy physical metals like coins and bars, invest in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or purchase shares in mining companies. Each method offers different levels of risk, liquidity, and potential return. Understanding these options will help you select the best approach for your investment goals and risk tolerance. Let's break down the most common forms of precious metal investment. Buying physical metals is the most direct way to invest. Gold and silver coins as well as bars are available in various weights and purities. Investors appreciate the tangible nature of these assets, but it's important to consider storage and insurance costs. Physical metals can be stored at home in a safe deposit box or with a professional vaulting service. Each option has its pros and cons, so think carefully about what works best for you. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, offer a convenient way to invest in precious metals without handling the physical asset. These funds track the price of metals like gold or silver and can be bought or sold on stock exchanges. ETFs provide liquidity and ease of trading, making them popular among investors who want exposure to metals without the hassle of storage. However, it's important to understand the fees and structure of each ETF before investing. Another way to gain exposure to precious metals is by investing in mining company stocks. These companies extract metals from the earth and their share prices often move in tandem with metal prices. Investing in mining stocks can offer higher returns, but also comes with additional risks, such as operational challenges and market volatility. it's important to research each company's financial health and mining operations before making an investment. Futures and options are advanced investment tools that allow you to speculate on the future price of precious metals. These financial contracts can offer significant profit potential, but they also carry higher risk and require a deep understanding of the market. Futures and options are best suited for experienced investors who are comfortable with complex trading strategies. If you're new to precious metals, it's wise to start with simpler investment forms before exploring these options. Selecting which precious metal to invest in depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and market outlook. Gold is often chosen for stability, while silver offers more price movement and industrial demand. Platinum and palladium are attractive for those seeking exposure to industrial growth. Consider your investment timeline and how each metal fits into your overall strategy before making a decision. For investing in precious metals, it's important to define your objectives. Are you looking for long-term wealth preservation, short-term gains, or portfolio diversification? Setting clear goals will help guide your investment choices and keep you focused during market fluctuations. Write down your goals and review them regularly to ensure your strategy remains aligned with your financial needs. Every investment carries some level of risk, and precious metals are no exception. Prices can fluctuate due to market forces, geopolitical events, and changes in supply and demand. Assess your comfort level with these risks before investing. If you prefer stability, gold may be a better choice, while those seeking higher returns might consider silver or mining stocks. Understanding your risk tolerance will help you build a balanced portfolio. Timing can play a significant role in precious metals investing. Prices often move in cycles, influenced by economic conditions, interest rates, and global events. Stay informed about market trends and consider dollar-cost averaging to reduce the impact of short-term volatility. While it's impossible to predict the market perfectly, being aware of trends can help you make more informed decisions. If you choose to invest in physical metals, proper storage and security are crucial. Options include home safes, bank-safe deposit boxes, or professional vaulting services. Each method offers different levels of convenience, cost, and protection. Make sure your investment is insured against theft or loss. Taking these precautions will help safeguard your assets and give you peace of mind. In buying physical metals, you'll often pay a premium above the spot price. This premium covers manufacturing, distribution, and dealer profit. It's important to compare prices from different dealers and understand all associated costs, including storage and insurance. Being aware of these expenses will help you make more cost-effective investment decisions and maximize your returns. Liquidity refers to how quickly and easily you can convert your investment into cash. Physical metals may take longer to sell, especially rare coins or large bars. ETFs and mining stocks, on the other hand, can be traded instantly on exchanges. Consider your need for liquidity when choosing how to invest in precious metals and balance your portfolio accordingly. Investing in precious metals can have tax consequences, depending on your country's regulations. Some forms of metals may be subject to capital gains tax, while others might be taxed differently. It's important to consult with a tax professional to understand your obligations and plan accordingly. Proper tax planning can help you keep more of your investment gains. Unfortunately, the precious metals market can attract scams and fraudulent schemes. Always buy from reputable dealers and verify the authenticity of your metals. Be cautious of deals that seem too good to be true and avoid high-pressure sales tactics. Doing your due diligence will help you avoid costly mistakes and protect your investment. Central banks around the world hold large reserves of gold and other precious metals. Their buying and selling activities can influence global prices and market sentiment. Understanding the role of central banks can provide valuable insights into market trends and help you anticipate potential price movements. Keep an eye on central bank reports and policy changes for clues about the future of precious metal. Global events such as economic crises, geopolitical tensions, and pandemics can have a significant impact on precious metal prices. Investors often flock to metals during uncertain times, driving up demand and prices. Staying informed about world events and understanding their potential effects on the market will help you make better investment decisions and manage risk effectively. Beyond investment, precious metals play a crucial role in various industries. Silver is used in electronics and solar panels, while platinum and palladium are essential for automotive and chemical applications. Industrial demand can drive prices and create new investment opportunities. Understanding these uses will help you anticipate market trends and identify potential growth areas. Supply of precious metals is limited by natural resources and mining capacity. Disruptions in mining operations, environmental regulations, or geopolitical issues can restrict supply and push prices higher. Keeping an eye on supply trends will help you understand potential price movements and make more informed investment choices. Advancements in technology can create new uses for precious metals, increasing demand and investment potential. For example, silver's role in renewable energy and platinum's use in fuel cells are expanding rapidly. Staying updated on technological trends can help you spot emerging opportunities and position your investments for future growth. Mining and refining precious metals can have significant environmental impacts. Investors are increasingly considering the sustainability of their investments and supporting companies with responsible practices. Understanding the environmental footprint of precious metals can help you make more ethical investment choices and support positive change in the industry. The value of precious metals is often influenced by currency movements, especially the US dollar. When the dollar weakens, metal prices typically rise and vice versa. Understanding the relationship between currencies and precious metals can help you anticipate price changes and make more strategic investment decisions. Deciding whether to invest in precious metals for the long term or short term depends on your financial goals and market outlook. Long term investors may focus on wealth preservation and gradual growth, while short term traders seek to capitalize on price swings. Both approaches have their merits, so choose the strategy that best fits your needs and risk tolerance. Working with a financial advisor can help you navigate the complexities of precious metals investing. Advisors can provide personalized guidance, help you assess risks, and develop a strategy tailored to your goals. If you're new to investing or unsure about your options, seeking professional advice can be a valuable step toward building a successful portfolio. Investing in precious metals can be rewarding, but it's important to avoid common pitfalls. Don't put all your money into one metal, ignore storage and insurance, or fall for get-rich-quick schemes. Diversify your holdings, do your research, and stay patient. Learning from others' mistakes will help you build a stronger, more resilient investment portfolio. Regularly monitoring your precious metals investments is key to long-term success. Keep track of market prices, review your portfolio's performance, and adjust your strategy as needed. Many online tools and apps can help you stay organized and informed. By staying proactive, you'll be better prepared to respond to market changes and achieve your financial goals. Over time, the value of your precious metals holdings may change relative to other assets. Regularly rebalancing your portfolio ensures that your investments remain aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. This might involve selling some metals or buying more, depending on market conditions. Rebalancing helps you maintain a disciplined approach and avoid emotional decision-making. Having a clear exit strategy is just as important as knowing when to invest. Decide in advance when you'll sell your precious metals, whether it's based on price targets, financial needs, or market conditions. A well-defined exit plan will help you lock in profits, minimize losses, and avoid making decisions based on emotion. The precious metals market is constantly evolving, with new developments and trends emerging regularly. Stay informed by following reputable news sources, industry reports, and market analysis. Continuous learning will help you adapt to changes and make smarter investment decisions over time. Including precious metals in your retirement plan can provide stability and protection against inflation. Many retirement accounts allow for the inclusion of gold, silver, or other metals through specialized investment vehicles. Consult with your retirement planner to explore how precious metals can enhance your long-term financial security. Ethical investing is gaining popularity, and precious metals are no exception. Look for companies that follow responsible mining practices and support fair labor standards. By choosing ethical investments, you can align your portfolio with your values and contribute to positive change in the industry. Rise of digital assets like cryptocurrencies has introduced new ways to invest in precious metals. Some platforms offer digital tokens backed by physical gold or silver, combining the benefits of both asset classes. While this approach offers convenience and liquidity, it's important to research the platform's credibility and security measures before investing. Precious metals play a significant role in global trade and finance. They are used as a store of value, a medium of exchange, and a benchmark for currencies. Understanding their role in the global economy can help you appreciate the broader impact of your investments and anticipate market movements. Regularly reviewing your investment strategy is essential for long-term success. Assess your goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions to ensure your approach remains effective. Make adjustments as needed to stay on track and achieve your financial objectives. Consistent review and adaptation are key to successful precious metals investing. You've covered a lot of ground in this guide to investing in precious metals. From understanding the different types of metals and investment options to managing risks and staying informed, you now have the knowledge to make confident decisions. Remember to set clear goals, diversify your portfolio, and stay vigilant against risks. Precious metals can be a valuable addition to your investment strategy when approached thoughtfully. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of precious metals investing. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, remember that knowledge and preparation are your best tools. Stay curious, keep learning, and approach your investments with confidence. Precious metals can offer stability, growth, and security for your financial future. Wishing you success on your investment journey.